Good afternoon, Julie. The backdrop to today's hearing is the news from AstraZeneca halting phase 3 trials. A virtual hearing in Washington focused on the overall effort to produce COVID-19 vaccines and concerns that potential vaccine candidates are being fast-tracked before we know it's safe. Among the chief concerns, potential costs of the future vaccine.
Will you join us in the effort to make sure that this vaccine will be distributed free of charge to all Americans?
Senator Sanders, this is Surgeon General Vice Admiral Adams here. Thank you for bringing that up, and I will give you a very direct answer. Yes, as Surgeon General of the United States, I promise you we will use every federal tool that we have to make sure that cost is not an obstacle.
We're learning more about the plan for a future vaccine, including the news that pharmacists will be trained to administer the COVID-19 vaccine if and when it's approved.
We have a once-in-a-century global pandemic superimposed on top of a presidential election, and that's made messaging even more difficult and concerning.
None of these trials will go even to an FDA review until the DSMB, the Data and Safety Monitoring Board, which is the only group that gets to see what happened as far as protection, as far as safety events, looks at the data. And these are not federal employees. These are very experienced, qualified scientists.
Today's developments amid a setback for a British drug maker yesterday. AstraZeneca announcing a hold on phase 3 trials after a patient in the UK became ill. AstraZeneca, in partnership with Oxford University, working to understand the unexplained illness. Experts say it's too soon to know if the virus candidate being developed by AstraZeneca is responsible for the illness. It's also possible there could be underlying health issues, doctors say, completely unrelated to the vaccine that's being tested. AstraZeneca is one of the pharmaceuticals backed by the U.S. federal government. There are half a dozen major drug makers racing to deliver the first proven and safe vaccine to slow the COVID-19 virus. The Centers for Disease Control is developing a plan to distribute a future coronavirus vaccine this fall. But yesterday, Dr. Anthony Fauci reporting that a vaccine before Thanksgiving is unlikely. All of this raising concerns that the process will be rushed.
This ought to be reassuring to everybody listening when we say we are going to focus first on safety and make no compromises. Here is Exhibit A about how that is happening in practice.
And Dr. Collins with the National Institutes of Health also adding that he is cautiously optimistic that a safe and effective vaccine will likely emerge by the end of the year. In the newsroom, Julian Cruz, WGN News.